Welcome to the video tutorial about how to view individual cross-sections in the ESurvey Civil Tools Interface. Click on the Cross-Sections tab and select the road name from Network Line dropdown. All the chainages for which cross-sections are available as per the property of the road defined, cross-sections will be listed in the Chainages group. You can select a particular cross-section and view the same. At this stage, you have cross-section levels and also the formation levels. To find the quantities, you have to define and assign cross-section template for each cross-section. To create a cross-section template, click on the triple dotted button next to the CS template drop-down and create the cross-section template. For more information on how to create a CS template, you can watch the video about creating CS template in section modules of ESurvey CAD. Once you create the cross-section template, select the starting section, ending section, and CS template from the list, then click on the Save button. If you click on any cross-section, you can note that designed cross-section template is assigned, and in each cross-section, you can find the area of cutting and filling. In the next topic, you will learn how to export the drawings and reports.